Ever wondered what the difference between PCC and RCC in construction is? Today, we're going to delve into the world of construction, focusing on two essential materials: plain cement concrete, or PCC, and reinforced cement concrete, or RCC. These terms may sound technical, but they're integral to understanding how our buildings and structures are built to last. Each has its own unique properties and uses, making them indispensable in the field of construction. Stay tuned to discover the key differences between PCC and RCC in construction. First off, let's understand what PCC, or plain cement concrete, is. It's a simple mix of three key ingredients: cement, fine aggregates like sand, and coarse aggregates such as gravel or crushed stones. What's interesting about PCC is that it doesn't contain any reinforcement. Yes, you heard that right. No steel bars, no extra strengthening elements. It's just a simple, straightforward mix. Now, you might be wondering, where do we use this PCC? Well, its primary role is to act as a base or foundation for structures. Think of it as the unsung hero, laying down the groundwork and providing a stable and level surface for the construction to take place. It's commonly used for leveling the ground, creating sub-bases for foundations, and acting as a protective layer. So, in a nutshell, PCC is a basic form of concrete used for foundational works in construction. Now let's move on to RCC, which stands for reinforced cement concrete. Imagine the familiar mix of cement, fine aggregates, and coarse aggregates that make up PCC, but now with an added twist: steel bars or reinforcement. This brings us to RCC, a stronger, more ductile sibling of PCC. The steel bars aren't just for show. They significantly enhance the strength and flexibility of the concrete. Think of it like a superhero version of concrete. It's got all the great qualities of its predecessor, but with the added power of steel. This makes RCC a go-to choice for structures that need to withstand higher loads and forces. We're talking about buildings, bridges, and other infrastructures that need to stand tall and strong. So when the going gets tough, the tough get RCC. It's this combination of strength and flexibility that makes RCC a key player in the world of construction. In essence, RCC is a fortified form of concrete, designed to withstand heavier loads and forces. Now that we know what PCC and RCC are, let's delve into their key differences. There are three main aspects to consider: reinforcement, strength, and applications. Starting with reinforcement, this is where RCC takes the lead. Unlike PCC, RCC includes steel bars embedded within the concrete mix. These bars, known as rebar, significantly boost the tensile strength of the concrete, allowing it to resist forces that would otherwise cause it to crack or break. This is a feature that PCC, being unreinforced, simply does not have. Which brings us to the next point: strength. Thanks to the addition of rebar, RCC is generally stronger than PCC. This makes it the preferred choice for structures that are expected to bear heavier loads and forces. PCC, on the other hand, while still robust, is typically used for tasks that require less structural strength. Lastly, we have applications. This is where the roles of PCC and RCC become more distinct. PCC is often used for non-structural elements, such as leveling the ground or creating sub-bases for foundations. RCC, with its superior strength, is used for critical structural components like beams, columns, and slabs. To sum it up, the distinction between PCC and RCC lies mainly in the presence of reinforcement, making RCC the go-to choice for structures requiring higher strength. So we've explored the worlds of PCC and RCC in construction. We have seen that plain cement concrete, or PCC, is a simple mix of cement, fine aggregates, and coarse aggregates, serving as a stable base for structures. It's ideal for leveling the ground, creating sub-bases for foundations, and offering a protective layer. On the other hand, reinforced cement concrete, or RCC, is PCC's stronger cousin, bolstered with the addition of steel reinforcement. This makes it particularly suited to the construction of buildings, bridges, and other structures where strength and load-bearing capacity are paramount. The key difference between these two lies in the presence of reinforcement. RCC includes steel bars for added strength and flexibility, making it the go-to for supporting structural loads. Understanding these materials and their uses is crucial in the world of construction. Remember, the right choice between PCC and RCC can make a significant difference in your construction project. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.